these.
That's good for the economy. And this is just super good.
Have you grasped that it is September already? What? We've just realized that it's autumn already. I don't know where this summer ran off to.
I have no idea.
But that's okay, because I think autumn is really cozy.
This is like your favorite time of the year.
It really is.
Why?
Because it's harvest time and you get to eat all the things you've been working on in your
Garden. Okay, I get that. It's nice with locally produced stuff. We don't have a garden, but let's go dig in someone else's garden.
That's actually what we're going to do today. We're going to challenge ourselves a bit, and we're going to make food that's made out of only locally produced stuff.
And I'm actually a bit excited to see what we can find in this area.
Yeah, so no mainstream food markets, just farmers markets today.
Bring it on!
Okay, so this place is called Ravelsmark. We have our little basket, and they have a lot of vegetables here, I think. And you can pick your own corn. We also need to figure out what we're going to eat today.
Good thinking. Let's do that.
Let's just go check out the place. And I'm doing my own reflecting.
I'm tickled pink that things aren't going my way, 'cause that would be boring. Spent my last cent on cheese and champagne. What a wonderful morning. Never mind, she declined to the first date. It was only on my birthday. Never mind all the lines on the highway. Give me time to reflect a bit, 'cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning.
What do you want to eat today?
Vegetables, I guess.
Well, you ain't got a choice. Look at these. I want to eat these.
Yep, me too.
Okay, we'll take a few of those.
Let's make beetroot steaks.
Beetroot steaks.
That means we
Okay.
want onion.
We want some onions.
Steaks need potatoes.
And here we have some locally produced cheeses.
Perfect. Those will go in our beetroot patties.
Beetroot patties. Ah, that's the word. Beetroot
Yeah.
patties. That's what we're making today. With some feta cheese.
Awesome.
Var det bra så?
Det är bra så.
178 där då. We're off to the next place.
And here's 5 reasons why you want to buy locally produced food. Go, Emilia.
Number 1 is that there's hardly any transport distances, so it's good for the environment.
There's usually no plastic, like no plastic packages, and there's no toxins involved, and that's just good for everybody.
Exactly. And you support the local farmers and communities.
That's good for the economy. And then you get mad respect for the food you're eating because you know where it's from and what kind of life it has lived. It's true though.
It's true. I don't. Yeah. And then it's just high quality and good tasting food.
They are famous for their beverages, especially one or two that got served at the Nobel dinner. So they have a Nobel drink, which I'm gonna try. And this is just super good.
This is the Nobel drink. I couldn't decide, so I just took them all. Okay, let's go.
Wow, it's actually like a patty.
Cool. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Hey, it's actually really super good. Wow, the cheese does a lot. Wow, this is actually amazing. I said earlier that if it doesn't taste good, then we will just have to smile and smile because this is YouTube. But we didn't have to pretend. This is awesome. It's really good.
Wow. The thing I love most about locally produced and ecological produced is that every ingredient is like so fresh and good in itself that you don't need a lot of stuff to make your food wonderful.
Amazing. That is
Exactly. Nice.
interesting.
It's really like soft in taste
Mm-hmm.
and sweet. But really sweet, but with no extra sugar.
Exactly. This was amazing and all. Like, we liked the local farmers that we met today. But this is the amazing thing about van life. If you don't like your local farmers, you can just change local farmers. Or if you don't have one, you can get one.
Yeah.
So there's no excuse.
But this one, the Nobel drink,
Haven't tried it yet.
no. We have to take this outside, I think.
Because
So-
that one is fancy
Yeah.
and the view outside is fancy. Let's end the video with that.